If you're taking a graduation selfie, they're going to look good with a hat flung in the air in the middle of them.
It's people to sit and put books on. If they don't think it's a sculpture, that's fine, they've experienced it.
This is Juanjo Novella, and I am an artist.
I'm Alison Dalwood, Hubert Dalwood's second daughter.
My name is Laura Bruni, and I'm curator of exhibitions at the Henry Moore Foundation.
The public art audio trail will bring visitors and interested parties in closer contact with the artists or experts themselves. So we're hoping that it will feel like an intimate chat with the artist in question, or in the case of artists who are no longer with us, with experts or family members or people connected with them.
Hepworth strongly believed in showing sculpture outside, and she said, "I think sculpture grows in the open light."
His work brings this playfulness into real life but maintains its unreality, adding magic into the everyday space.
We're really excited to use the audio trail within our project as another layer. We think it's going to really help accessibility-wise, and it's going to mean that anyone can engage with it without having to directly come onto campus, or as an add-on when people are on campus. It means that they can get to know a little more.
I think the Limbo sculpture came out of his incessant drawing.
What's the minimum that you need to show that it's a human?
The built environment is extremely important. He's built almost a totem for a city of many spires.
This new digital art tour brings in the whole of the elements, so it's kind of bringing the artist's perspective a lot more. I think it's going to be really enriching for people, so they can come on our person-led tours and have one experience, but they can also do the digital tour, and I think they work alongside each other really, really nicely.
There's an interesting bridge between sculpture and landscape.
It allows us to look at our surroundings in a slightly different way.
The public art audio trail is really accessible. There'll be QR codes by all the sculptures, an essential QR code to the whole playlist, so you can download them all together or one at a time at your leisure whenever you feel like it. And we also hope this is the beginning of much more engagement in different formats, audio and visual, in the future.
It is important to try and get people to engage in the spaces around them.
I think good public art often speaks to the history of place.
I think the university campus is one of those places that accommodate sculpture well.